Today we learn how to performing different tasks with the help of voice command in our system in Python. So in our program we are closing Chrome with the help of voice command. So we require some module to perform to closing the Chrome. So firstly we import OS module. OS module help to directly interact with your system. And second module name is platform module contain the information about your system like system name or other information about your system are included in this module. And next one module name is sound device module help to record the audio from your microphone or other input device which is connected to the system. And this module name use as short form as SD in our program. And the next module name is sound file module help to saving the recorded audio into a file. And speech recognition module help to translated the audio into a text, and we use this module as SR in our program. Now we make a function close Chrome. In close Chrome code we write a code to closing the we write a command to closing the Chrome. So now our system is Darwin or Linux. So using if statement we write a command for Darwin or Linux system with the help of platform.system using if it is Darwin or Linux. In both of them follow same command. So if our system is Darwin or Linux, then with the help of os.system we give the command to our system closing Chrome. The command is kill all. We want to close Chrome, so write Google Chrome like that. If we write this single command to close the Chrome, in many cases our Chrome has not been closed, so we write all different name of Chrome or also write them and give using a keyword kill all Google Chrome, kill all Chromium. This is the other name of Chrome are present. So in Darwin and Linux our the command has been successful run to close the Chrome. And next one function is record audio. In this function the audio has been record and save into a file. So the parameter is used is file name in which audio has been stored. And next parameter is duration, the length of the audio. And third parameter is sample rate. Sample rate means the number of audio samples captured per second is known as sample rate. So now we print recording. 16,000 is the 16,000 sample rate is good for speech. For high quality and in CDs we use 48,000. So but 16,000 is enough, good for speech, enough for speech. And in audio in audio variable we store the numpy array data. Means when we the our sound is present in audio waveform which is captured by our microphone, and this audio are stored in as numpy array value. So record function With the help of st.record, we record the audio, and the parameter is used. First parameter is frame, means the sample number of audio samples are record, means for example our duration is 5 seconds and sample rate is 16,000, then the total number of frame of our audio is about 80,000, so it is a frame. And next one is sample rate parameter, and then the parameter is channels. One stands for uh, microphone and two stands for stereo. So we want to record audio and use microphone, so write one. And data type is default is float32. Now we use sound device dot wait function. Wait function wait function help to means hold the program until the recording has been completed. Then we use write function. With the help of sound file module, the recorded audio save into a file, and parameter is used file name, audio and sample rate. Now we make a function speech recognition, and now we make a object as recognize object for sr dot recognizer class. Basically recognize class and give the file name Siri dot wave, and duration of our audio means length of our audio is 5 seconds. And now we call the function record audio. So then our recording has been started and the audio has been saved into a file. Now we open the file with the help of sr.audio file function. Audio file function, and the key in audio file function we give the file name. So audio file function basically open our file, so it can be read the data of our file as source using try block. And in audio variable we store the audio data with the help of record function. Basically record function read the audio data and store in the audio variable. And using recognize dash google, this recognize dash google help to translate the audio into a text with the help of Google API. Give the audio data which is stored in audio variable and the converted text stored in the command variable. Now we print our command. Using f string, and in curly braces we write a variable name command. Now we using if statement. If close chrome string is present in command variable, then we call our function close chrome. Close chrome function basically work to basically help to closing chrome, means close the chrome. This function do. So now call the function close chrome, and in exact block as a dot unknown value error. If any any error has been occurred about your audio and command, then it throw an error and print invalid command. Now in main function we call the function speech recognition and then see that our program has been working or not. So okay, now run this code. Recording. But not, it throw error. Okay, one thing, I think I mistake here. Now I check the code. Hmm. And I okay. Firstly we open the Google and now we check. I think one spelling mistake is here. Recognize in C. Okay, now run this code. Firstly I delete this audio file and now close Chrome. You can see that our Chrome has been closed. So okay guys, thank you.